this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am super excited because guess what? I am going to be making a tumbler. It's been a while since I have made a tumbler, and I'm super excited about this tumbler because I am making a Christmas tumbler. So I'm about to start making some Christmas videos here on my channel because Christmas is next month. Can y'all believe that Thanksgiving is almost here? Then Christmas, then what? 2024, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you, this is one design that you can make to sell or either to give as a gift, because everybody drinks water or whatever it is they may put in this tumbler. Sometimes you don't know, but whatever it is that they may put in this tumbler, everybody drinks something, okay? So this is a great way to make something. I love handmade gifts, especially when my kids were little. They used to make me handmade cards and things like that. I absolutely love it. So anything handmade, I am sure will be exciting for your friends or your loved ones, okay? Now this tumbler comes with a cute little bag here that you can just place the tumbler back in. It also comes with a stainless steel straw, okay, as you see right here, okay? You just pull it out and drink from it. All right, so I have went to Etsy and purchased a design. Now the design that I purchased was it's a Christmas design. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be going ahead and that's what I'm going to be putting on this tumbler. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you can also go to Creative Fabrica and find some designs. I absolutely love Creative Fabrica also. So I was just strolling on Etsy and I ran up on this design. So I just went ahead and purchased it. But you can go to Creative Fabrica and find you some amazing designs. I have a link to Creative Fabrica in the description box below. And I'm also going to have links to everything that I am using today. All right. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It family. All right, so I'm going to go over to Etsy and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. Let's go. All right, so what I want to do first, I want to go ahead and talk to y'all a little bit about how to clean up your tumblers. Even though I've done this and said this before, I'm going to be linking some videos in the description box where I have, as well as the card section, okay, on some videos that I've done. So make sure you go and check out the description box. Like I said, the links are going to be down there, as well as my playlist for the different videos I've done. But you need some alcohol. All right, so I'm just going to take some alcohol, and I have some paper towel, or you can use you know, whatever you have to clean it off with, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it, and what I do, I just place it, you know, put my hand just like this and just spray it, okay, and just clean it off just like this. Just go ahead and wipe it down. Now this get any debris, any fingerprints or anything off of your tumbler, because you know, when it's coming from different places, people may handle your tumblers. They have to put them in the bag and all of that. So just make sure you you know, wipe it off, okay? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and print out my design. So my design has printed, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So now what you do is go ahead and take your scissors, or if you have, I have a little cutting, the thing that cut it somewhere. I'm not going to try to find it, but go ahead and trim off the white parts, the white edges here around your design, because you do not need that, okay? Just, you know, be careful as you are trimming, because you do not want to cut away your design. So as you see, I'm just taking my scissors and just trimming the sides off right here. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to do the bottom part the same way. And then you go ahead and you do your sides, okay? Now I measured this. Don't forget, I think I told you, but don't forget to measure your tumbler. And what I do, I use my my measuring tape up there. That's what I use to measure my tumblers, okay? So I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. Just take your measuring tape and just wrap it. Just wrap it around your tumbler, okay? And that will give you, you want to make sure you get the height. That is how, the tallness of it, and also get the width. The width is the roundness of your tumblers, okay? All right. Okay, so I'm finished with that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I have this measuring tape right here. And so what you do, you just take your tumbler. I'm going to have to wipe it off again. Just take your tumbler and just wrap it. Place it around the middle part of your tumbler. Oh, I did it wrong. Let me go to the end here. You always start at the end, okay? You always want to start at the end where it says 1, okay? And just wrap it around your tumbler and just do it like this, and you see where it stops. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but I just went ahead and put mine as 9.5 because you can always trim it down if you need to. And the height would be, I always start here at the top and just go down to the bottom. So I put my height at 8.5, okay? Okay. So just make sure you measure it and go ahead and just wipe your tumbler back off because, I did have to touch it. This is the one that I use with the alcohol. So what you do is just go ahead and take your, I'm going to use my little thing here. Remember, I got this from Temu. If you haven't seen my Temu haul, go and check it out. But I purchased it from Temu, and what it is, you just take it, place it like that, and just place your tumbler, cup, mug, whatever it is that you have on it, okay? All right, it's that way. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my tumbler and just make sure that everything is measured correctly, everything is even. All right, so what I'm going to do is just take it, and you always want to make sure that it's down, okay? You want to make sure that it's down far enough. You see the bottom part of your tumbler, always make sure that it's at the bottom, and as you see, the top part is great also. So you take it and you squeeze it really, really tight, okay, with your fingers, because that's where you're going to be putting your tape. All right, so I'm going to lay this back down here, and I have my my heat tape, which I'm using here, and I'm just going to go ahead and tape it. All right, some people use a lot of tape, some people don't use that much tape. I'm one of the ones who use a lot of tape, okay? So, just do what you want to do, what works for you, okay? And you just take it and you just tape it. Just pull it very, very tight and just tape it, okay? All right, if you can see what I'm doing, okay? Just take it, take the tape, and do it really, really tight, if I can get it, okay? All right, and that's how you do it. All right, everyone, so here is how I tape mine. Like I said, everyone tapes different. There's no right or wrong way to do it when it comes to taping to me. That's my personal opinion, okay? But you just do what works best for you. Some people works best with less tape. Some people works best for more tape. So what I do once I finish, I just take it and just rub my design just like this, on my tumbler. Just rub it all the way around. And I just take my finger and just go in the little creases here. All right, and that is to get any air bubbles or anything that may be stuck up in there, okay? Or you can use, if you have like a pen or something, just be careful when you're doing that, all right? So what I'm gonna do, I don't have a tumbler press. So what I do, I go and put mine in the convection oven, okay? So we're gonna go and use my trusty convection oven. All right, so let's go into the kitchen and go ahead and get this heated. All right, everyone, so this is my convection oven. This is the one that I use. It's the Black & Decker. It will be linked in the description box below. So I also have one of the oven timers here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my tumbler, just place it in here, and I'm going to go over to my microwave and put it at I'm gonna put it at, I'm gonna try 3 minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna come back and I'm just gonna turn it. Sometimes I turn it, sometimes I don't. When I don't turn it, it still turn out right to me. But it's just up to you. Again, that's something that, you know, if you want to turn it, you can. If you don't want to turn it, you don't have to. But one thing about it that lets you know when it's sublimated is that when you see the design through the paper, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and let it heat up. All right, so my microwave just went off. Again, I put it on 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and open this up and look at it. Make sure you have some gloves. I have these gloves linked in the description box below. You see the smoke came out of it. So let's look at it and see how it looks, okay? All right, so let's turn it over. It looks like the design is coming through the paper. All right, y'all, so be careful because the thing just fell out. But as you see, the design has came through. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it out and I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off. And then we're gonna reveal it and see what it looks like, okay? All right, y'all, so the tumbler, it has cooled off. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the paper off and reveal it, okay? So I have my little pick thing here to take mine off with. Just, you know, you can take it off with your finger once it cools off. But I'm just going to pick the tape off of it. Because sometimes the tape gets kind of difficult to come off. All right, so we're going to see what it looks like, okay? Now, this is going to be my tumbler. And I have an Etsy shop also. So you go over and check out some of the designs I have on Etsy. I am going to be adding some new designs on Etsy soon. I've just been trying to get other things done. Some other things that I'm going to be doing. But yeah, it's going to be some of my Christmas designs is going to be on there soon, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and see how it looks. Go ahead and take it off. I'm recording.
Hey, bro, hit me. Just because she didn't even get the computer. I said let me play one more time. You just snatched it.
All right, so how many of you all have kids that, I have twins and they are constantly at each other? So that's what's that about, okay? And I'm not going to remove that from the video because this is real life, y'all. When I'm trying to record, when you're a wife, you're a mama, you're doing your YouTube channel and business and all of that, this is real life. So I'm going to leave this in the video. I'm not going to edit this part, okay? All right. We're going to see real life, okay? So let me go ahead. I know y'all want to see this cup, this tumbler. All right, so... okay, let's go ahead and take it off. Okay, y'all ready? So let's go ahead and just pull this off. Let's see how I did. Ooh. Yo, this is so cute. Ooh. This is cute. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? Y'all, this is what I say, super cute. This is super cute. Oh man, I love this. Look at the vibrancy of this tumbler. Do you see it? Look at the Grinch. Look, it says 100% that Grinch. I'm not the Grinch, but I do like this design, okay? This is so beautiful. All right, so look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh, it's been a while since I did a tumbler, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do this design on this tumbler because I purchased the designs a while ago, and it takes me a while sometimes to get to the videos that I want to do. But y'all, this came out so beautiful. I have another tumbler to do because one of my friends from college, her birthday is in this month, and she asked me a while ago if I would do her a tumbler. So I'm just now getting to, you know, doing her tumbler. But guess what? It's going to be perfect timing because it's her birthday. But y'all, look at this. Look. It is so pretty. Oh, wow. That is so beautiful. All right, y'all. I could go on and on and on and on and on and keep y'all here all night, but I know we all have things to do, right? So I thank y'all so very much for coming along with me today, watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It family, where we learn and we grow together, all right? So make sure you go and check out my Etsy shop. Like I said, I will be adding some new designs to my Etsy shop. I do SVGs and PNGs over on my Etsy shop, okay? So make sure you go and check it out. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a co-worker that I have an Etsy shop, and they can go and shop with me also, all right? I also have all of these links in the description box below of where you can purchase the items that you see here today, all right? So you all have an amazing day. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I love to read your comments, and I love to answer any questions that you may have, all right? All right, so you all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.